Hello everyone, a quick video on how to replace gas struts on the boot of a car. This happens to be a Mazda, but the same principles apply to most modern vehicles. And again, if you've got a car with a bonnet with a gas strut, it's usually the same principles. It's quite simple really. All you have to do, obviously I've got this braced up with this aluminium bar, so you've got to make sure you do that, because the whole point is the gas struts aren't holding this up, and as soon as you do that it's going to fall on your head. So safety first, eh? So what you need to do essentially is just here, just need to pull this out like so. Oops, I pulled it a bit too much, but doesn't matter, I'm throwing this away anyway. And this the same here. On this side. So I'm gonna do that now in situ. So guys, while I was filming, because I took that off, it literally just came off. So that's good. Lucky I had this, otherwise that would have just fallen on me. Okay, so next steps, got to do this one. And there we go, and that should just pop out. There you go, as easy as that. It's literally, it's in these, so they just pop in and then the retainers hold them. So what I need to do now is put the new one on. Right, I've got the new one. See, when these new ones, they come already fully stretched, but if you see, look, you can't push it down, so it's fully extended. So you need to have the boot out fully extended as well. And the process is simple really. You don't have to do anything other than just pop it in. So you just pop it into that like so, and then you pop that in there like so to line it up. There you go, it's done. Now I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Okay, so I won't show you again how I did that. On this side it's the same process. As you can see, just pull the retaining clip out there, pull the retaining clip out there, this will pop out, and pop the other one back in. So let me just do that now. Okay, so I've fitted both sides now, so let's have a look if it works. Closed, just open it up and it should stay up by itself. There you go. Let's try that once more time, and then when I lift it, it should lift by itself. There you go, and it's holding. There you go. Fantastic. Hope that helped everyone. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.